So today we're going to look at roots as a vocabulary skill on page 34 in the Grab and Go. By the end of the year, you need to be able to use all the roots on the page, but right now we're just going to focus on the first four. So a root is a form of a word after all the affixes have been removed. So the four that we're going to focus on are tele. So that tele would be part of the word. It means far, and so a word example would be telescope, and scope means to see, so when we put far and to see together, telescope means to see far away. So the next thing we're going to look at is photo, and photo means light, and photograph, so the photo part means light, and graph means to draw, so when we put that together, photograph means a drawing made from light. Scrib is the third one. It means write. So we're going to look at the word scribble. And scribble means writing without care. And then the last one we're looking at today is rupt. And rupt means break. So interrupt, being a word, means to break into. So enter, meaning that it's inside of, and rupt, breaking, so you're breaking into. Maybe you're interrupting someone's conversation, you're breaking into their conversation or their train of thought. So those are the four that we're going to work on: tele, photo, scrib, and rupt. Tele means far, photo means light, scrib means write, and rupt means break.